Hey guys, welcome back to another video of making a React Native mobile app. So in the previous video we went ahead and created our register user functionality, or rather connected it to our server side. Now we'll go ahead and do our login, and login is pretty much the exactly the same as register. Just grab it, copy our register, paste it here to where our login is. And let's change user/register to login. We can save that. Once you've saved that, let's go ahead and try to log in. Our account was test@email.com 123456. We've logged in. Now we get an error. That error is because of get to do items. Let's have a look at one thing in our main screen. I've used use effect. You need to provide an array, even if it's empty, at the end here, inputs, to kind of say when it should update based on, right? And you can here you can kind of say update based on if state updates, right? If state gets changed, then call use effect again. However, we're just gonna put an empty array there. Right, and now that we've done that, let's go ahead and we've got all our auth functionality now. What we can do is go ahead and create our to-do functionalities, and let's go to to-do section, and inside of to-dos we'll need to do similar setup, not too much but similar. So import our extract errors, because we'll need that for error handling. Import Axios from Axios, and then const address is equal to our IP, which we've put here. Let's go ahead and bring that in, copy it from our auth to our to-dos, put that there. Okay, so that should be everything we need. And I realize in auth we can get rid of isEmpty here. We can also get rid of isEmpty here. So in our get to do items, it's fairly simple. We'll move these two lines here, and we'll just do const res is equal to await axios.get grave accents here, $ curly brackets address slash to dos, and that's it. And well, not just that's it, but that's most of it. And then we'll do res.data, because data that comes in is all our to dos, to which is linked to that person, and that'll get put into to do items. Once we've done that, we can then do save to do item. But first, let's save that. Let's have a look. Let's try to log in. Hopefully shouldn't give us an error, and if it does, then we can fix that, or try to. Okay, we get an error here. Oh no, that error just disappeared after appearing. User.two lowercase doesn't exist anymore. So let's one more time for good luck do a hard reload. Okay, and then test@email.com 123456 login. Sweet, no errors. So that means that's working. Now we need to do save to do item. So in our save to do item, you see here we've got a lot of code. In reality, it's pretty low code, pretty similar to a lot of the other ones. So let's do a quick error handling. So set errors, dispatch, extract errors, e.response.data.errors, and then just go ahead and do that. And then now above our try, let's bring our config in. So const config is equal to object, and then headers is content type application /JSON, and then we'll just do const body is equal to JSON dot stringify curly brackets, so an object, and then put to do inside of there, and then this will say to do is equal to do, basically the same as that, just shorthand. And then that's our body. Inside of our try, we'll do await axios.post, and we'll use the same address here, so just copy that and we'll type that there, and then we'll do comma body comma config, and then await get to do items, and we'll put a dispatch there. So we're just gonna pretty much just call this again straight after, and it'll just set everything for us. Now in our server side, we could set it so it returns every single to-dos after you save it, which might be a good idea to save on resources in terms of making so many requests to the server. Since this is a test and stuff, we don't need to do that, but I would highly recommend you guys try to implement that feature. So we've got a save to do item. We can actually try to see that in action now. Let's do a hard reload just in case any errors appear that shouldn't exist anymore. Let's click add item, let's click create, boom, we've got our error handling. Let's type hello, let's go back. Ooh, get to do items, dispatch is undefined, pretty sure I put that there. Dispatch, right, users, we need to get rid of you. So inside of get to do items, remove the user comma, because we no longer need to provide user. Let's do a hard reload. Get to do items error still appear in dispatch, is not a function in dispatch. Types does set to do res.data dispatch. This is where and get to do items. Okay. Oh, of course it's not. Right, let's go to our home file, and inside of our home file here we need to get rid of state.user. Let's save that and head back to to-dos.js. That's over here. Oh, and then once I've done a reload, it's loaded that one in. So let's do add item to test. Let's create, go back. There it is. Encounter two children with the same key, which is undefined. Let's have a look at that. Right, that could be because on this side we need to change it a bit. So if we go to our home screen, inside of our home screen, we've got a render function. No, that's render item. We can ignore that for now. We'll need to tweak that a bit. Inside of here, we've got item.id, which should be fine theoretically. Yeah, item ID. Oh no, it's not item ID. It is item underscore ID, because now we're pulling it from Mongo. So let's go ahead and do that one, and then that warning doesn't appear anymore because we've got two test items. Must have accidentally added it. Click hey. There we go. Great. Oh, to do. I tried to delete it. Delete won't work at the moment. Okay, so gonna pause it here, and then next video we'll create the delete functionality. So let's have a look at, yeah, we'll create delete functionality. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you in a bit.